Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix camera not working in Windows 11 2022. Let me show you how to do that.
Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos.
Yes, from my laptop, I just opened Chrome browser. I just want to create a new meeting or I just want to join the meeting. So unfortunately, my camera is not working properly in my laptop or desktop. My webcam is problem. See, it's not working properly. My camera is switched on, but it's not working properly. What I have to do here? So here you have to work with the easy way. Within a second, you can clear this problem. What you have to do here, on your Windows start menu, so this is my start menu in Windows 11. So just right click on the start menu, you will get a lot of option will be there. Just go to device manager. Once you go to device manager, there are plenty of device manager will be there. So what are the device options, everything will be there for audio, battery, biometric, Bluetooth, everything will be there. In that you will find the cameras. So what are the cameras installed in your laptop, it will be displayed over here. So here the computer means everything is working properly, disk is everything was working properly, but the integrate camera is not working properly. It's showing some disables option. So just right click on that, you will get option called enable device, uninstall device, update drives. So just first and foremost you need to enable the device. So once you enable the device will be enabled perfectly. My camera is working perfectly as you see here. So my camera is working properly, so I can able to see my camera, but I just want to update this drive. I just update this drive. Once I update the drive, it will ask you for search automatically set the drive. So it will search automatically the best drive for your devices already installed in your laptop. So that I have disabled that option. That's why my camera is not working properly. Now my device is updated. My camera is working properly. Behind the screen you can find my camera is working properly. I can able to talk, I can able to do, so I can able to mute my camera and I can able to enable my camera. What are the things I can do? So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Windows, so that you can enable your camera to do all kind of works. What are the works you can do? Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.